What if the future of our oceans depended not on ships or nets, but on intelligence? What if the greatest ally against pollution wasn't human, but something we created? Imagine a world where oceans are alive again, clear, vibrant, breathing. Where fleets of intelligent machines roam the waves like silent guardians, cleaning, protecting, and restoring life below. This is the promise of AI innovation, machines that learn the ocean like a living language. They detect microplastics, predict currents, and collect waste with precision. Technology trends are shaping the future of jobs too. Engineers, data scientists, and oceanographers now work hand in hand with algorithms to protect life beneath the waves. This is digital transformation at sea, a new era where intelligence flows through every tide. But what happens when we hand over the ocean to machines? Who decides where they clean, what they protect, what they ignore? When intelligence becomes the net, can it also become the cage? Perhaps the future of the ocean isn't about control, it's about balance. Not man versus machine, but man with machine. The question is not how far AI will go to clean our seas. The question is, will we go far enough to keep them clean? Comment, subscribe, and like. Thanks for watching.